is a turntable Christmas tree. Banjo. You like my skirt? Seriously though, why did I wear a dress when I thought it was going to be warm and it's 50 degrees? And I only brought a tiny sweater. Ugh.
Well, they said to practice. So I'm practicing. I'm singing one of these.
Mm-hmm.
And if not, well, you can just practice.
A little bit. Maybe we gotta spread it out with the spatula. Yeah, make them fat.
Out pebbles, will you? Alright, close it.
When Bruce comes, chocolate chip waffles. But it fell on the ground and he needed it. You needed that toy, right, Banjo? Because you were a good boy getting your nails cut. Even though you were a chicken. The chicken man. Come on. Shake on command. Shake. Shake. Trying to teach his dog to shake so that he will be less wet, but not a very good listener. Huh. Okay. Something. 1, 2, 3. Well, kicking your ass is what's gonna happen. Whoop! Drunk marble.
6.
Ooh. 1, 2, 3, 4. My goal is to win this game in under 4 minutes. Under 4 minutes! 1, 2, 3. Ooh! You fell right into my trap! Oh, you can't move? 2, 3. Oh. Let me move for you with my own dice. 1, 2, 3, 4.
What? If you came out here, why did you go around the board?
That was another guy. You know what? That's a good idea. I did not think about that. To make you ask questions about my intelligence.
Go.
1, 2, 3, 4. You got out?
Yeah.
2, 3. All too long. Got one guy in. I don't know where you think you're going. Yo, don't. Oh, I miscounted. I thought you were gonna kill me. 1, 2, 3, 4. But I killed you instead. You gonna chase me? How does 6, lady?
Well, why don't you say
4,
something?
5, 6. I thought you would saw because you actually pay attention to dice.
You can't put him in there.
He just rolled there
one
on his own.
2, 3, 4, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bench up. Oh my God, these people are nuts. Don't they know that this is not the time to be going to the hospitals because of COVID? Oh, Boston. What is wrong with people? Like, it is not the time to be causing accidents. So nice. It has been a day, but at least get to go home staring at this full moon. La luna está llena, es tiempo de descansar.